Hello my dear children, a warm welcome to our basic science class. Today we can start our next chapter. Chapter 3, Celestial Shadow Sites. We live in a world filled with light. Can you imagine a world without light? You know that light is essential to see objects. How difficult it would be if we cannot see the objects around us, isn't it? Let us study some peculiarities of light in this chapter. Have you ever observed the beam of light entering inside a dark room through a tiny hole in the window? What do you see? Do you see light traveling in a straight line? My dear children, today let's perform a very simple experiment to prove that light travels in a straight line. For this activity, we need 3 cardboard pieces of same size with a hole at the center, a laser pointer and a white string. We have placed the cardboard pieces such that the holes are in a straight line. Flash the laser beam from one end of the cardboard piece. We observe that the laser beam travels through the 3 holes of the cardboard pieces and falls on the white screen. This happens because all the 3 holes of the cardboard pieces are in a straight line, and also light beam travels in a straight line. Now move one of the cardboard piece to one side. We can see that the light beam doesn't fall on the white screen as the path of light gets interrupted. From this activity, we can conclude that light travels in a straight line. Now another question. Does light pass through all substances? Let's find out. This is a lightened room. We can see objects inside the room. Can we now see objects outside the window? No, we can't. But the question is why? It's easy because the light from the outside of the window does not reach us. The wooden shutter blocks this incoming light. Such objects are called opaque objects, and they are very large in number. Almost everything around us is opaque if you think about it. Wood, metal sheets, colored plastic, football, battery, pillow, teddy bear, plastic cup, pen stand, etc. Now let's open the wooden shutters. Can you see something new? Yes, we see the surroundings through the glass, and I am sure you know why. What has happened now is that we have a clear glass which allows light to pass through it, allowing us to see through it clearly. Such objects are called transparent objects. Examples of transparent objects are clear window panes, spectacles, car windshields, light bulb, thermometer, aquarium, transparency sheet, ice, and clear water, air, etc. There are another kind of objects around us which allows some light to pass through them, and some light is absorbed or reflected back. These type of objects are called translucent objects. Translucent objects can be seen through but not completely. Examples of translucent objects are milky glass, butter paper, thin sheet of plastic, etc. Let's summarize what we have learned today as experiment to prove that light always travels in a straight line. Objects which allow light to pass through them completely are transparent objects. Example, clean water, air, clear glass, etc. Objects which do not allow light to pass through them are opaque objects. Example, wood, metal sheets, colored plastics, etc. Objects which allow light to pass through them partially are translucent objects. Example, butter paper, milky glass, thin sheet of plastic, etc. So my dear children, it's all for today. We shall meet on next class. Thank you.